Alright, so 180 is 60% of what number? So, in this problem, kunin natin ang 10%. Paano natin kukunin ang 10%? Given 180 is 60%. So, ang gagawin lang natin ay i-divide natin ang 180 ng 6. Right? Nagigets ba? I-divide natin yung 180 ng 6. So, pag dinivide natin siya ng 6, that is equal to 30. Then, what is this 30? This 30 is the 10%. Anim na 30 which is equal to 180, that is 60%. So, by dividing 180 by 6, makukuha natin ang 10%. So, pag nakuha na natin ang 10%, madali na natin kunin ang 100% o yung hinahanap na number by multiplying 30 by 10 or by simply adding 0 to 30, which is equivalent to 300. Answer is 300. So, check natin. Ugaliin natin, i-check natin. So, if the number is 300, what is the 60% of 300? That is 60% times 30, which is equal to 180. Right? So, the number is 300. Simply, divide natin yung 180 ng 6. Bakit siya dinivide ng 6? Para makuha yung 10%. Nakuha na natin yung 10%, which is 30. Multiply natin siya ng 10 para makuha natin yung 100% or yung number na hinahanap. Okay? Thank you so much!